Hi children, now we are going to finding orthocenter. How to find orthocenter? Okay, so first given vertices, let's take triangle ABC. These vertices letter A, B and C minus 5 comma 6. Okay, so let's represent in the triangle ABC. A, B, C. Orthocenter means congruence of altitudes. So draw altitude BE. Next draw altitude AD. Okay. Now congruence of altitude means orthocenter. Orthocenter denoted by O or H also. Okay. So if we know AD equation, BE equation, by solving these two equations we will get orthocenter easily. So what are given vertices right in the diagram? A minus 5 comma minus 7. Next B 13 comma 12. Next C minus 5 comma 6. Okay. So first AD equation. For AD equation you need first of all BC slope. BC slope is equal to what is slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So m equal to B 13 comma 2, C minus 5 comma 6. Okay. Let's substitute in the formula. x1 y1, x2 y2. y2 6 minus y1 2 by x2 minus 5 minus x1 13. Okay. 6 minus 2 4 by both minus keep minus 13 5 18. 2 2 ja 2 9 ja. So minus 2 by 9. Always keep minus in the numerator. This is m value. But you need AD equation slope. Means AD, for AD equation how can you find out? It's a perpendicular slope you need. Perpendicular slope. First keep heading AD's equation. AD's equation. So AD slope. AD is a perpendicular to BC. So that's why that implies AD slope. AD's slope is equal to minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by m is equal to minus 1 by m means minus 2 by 9. Minus cancel. The fraction will be reversed 9 by 2. This is 1 minus 1 by m is equal to 9 by 2. So now equation of AD or altitude passing through slope 9 by 2 comma and vertex A minus 5 minus 7. So one point slope formula is, that is y minus y1 equal to, here slope is minus 1 by m. In the place minus 1 by m is slope. So that's why I am taking minus 1 by m. Slope is equal to x minus x1. Let's substitute in the formula. Y minus y1 minus 7 is equal to minus 1 by m value 9 by 2 is equal to x minus x1 minus 5. Okay. So now y minus 2 minus plus 7 is equal to 9 by 2. Now x minus 2 minus plus 5. Okay. So by cross multiply 2 into y plus 7 is equal to 9 into x plus 5. Okay. Now let's simplify. 2 into y plus 7. Here 2 into y plus 7 is equal to, what is next? 9 into x plus 5. 9 into x plus 5. Let's simplify. 2y, 2 7 ja 14. 9 into x 9x plus 9 5 is 45. So write these terms first. 9x plus 45. Now these symbols will be changed. Minus, you change symbols any side, RHS or LHS, but not both. Okay. Now I am taking RHS same. I am changing symbols LHS. Both plus are there. So their symbols will be both negative. Minus 2y minus 14 equal to 0. So first variables 9x minus 2y. Next plus constant 45 minus 14 equal to 0. Okay. Now 9x minus 2y. 45 minus 14 big number plus 5 minus 4 1. 4 minus 1 3 equal to 0. So take this equation 1. Next we have to find out BE equation. B is equation. What is BE equation? For BE equation you needed AC slope. So A, what is A value? A value is minus 5, minus 7. Next, C, minus 5, 6. Okay. First of all, let's find the AC slope. AC's slope is equal to x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. M equal to y2 6 minus y1 minus 7 by x2 minus 5 minus x1 minus 5. Okay. 6 minus 2 minus plus 7 by minus 5 plus 5. Minus 2 minus plus 5. So 13 by something by 0 is, so take same as it is. So take this slope. Now, but you need BE slope. BE's slope is reverse. It will be reverse. What will be? This is M. But you need minus 1 by M is equal to minus 1 by M. 13 by 0. So equal to minus 1 into 0 by 13. So minus 1 into 0, 0 by 13. Okay. So now BE's equation, how can we find out? BE's equation, passing through slope 0 by 13, comma, and vertex, what is vertex? B vertex 13 comma 2. Okay. So this is x1, y1. Now formula is point slope formula, y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m x minus x1. Let's substitute y minus y1 2 equal to minus 1 by m 0 by 13 is equal to x minus x1 13. Okay. So by cross multiplication 13 into y minus 2 is equal to 0 into something 0. Okay. So that implies y minus 2 equal to 0 by 13 equal to 0. Okay. So now y minus 2 equal to 0. So y equal to minus 2 will be plus 2. Take this equation 2. Substitute in equation 2. What is equation 2? Just now we have found out, no? AD equation. Substitute in the AD equation. 9 into 9x minus 2 into y. Y means 2 plus 31 equal to 0. So 9x minus 2 2s are 4 plus 31 equal to 0. So 9x minus 4 plus 31. Big number plus 31 minus 4, 27 equal to 0. So 9x equal to 27 plus 27 will be minus 27. So x equal to minus 27 by 9. 9 1 ja, 9 3 ja. So x equal what? Minus 3. So therefore orthocenter denoted by O, comma x is equal to x minus 3, y 2. So this is the required orthocenter. Simple, very simple. Just you have to do what? Find BE equation. For BE equation, already point is there. You need its perpendicular slope. AC perpendicular slope you have to find out. Get BE equation. Next here find BC slope. But you need perpendicular slope, the slope and this point. We have a formula. Get equation. So finally BE equation, AD equation solving. We will get orthocenter x comma y. Okay. Right.